At Oxford Athletic Club, the health and safety of our members and team members has always been of the utmost importance. As we prepare for your return, we have expanded our cleaning methods and are taking extra precautions to help facilitate social distancing.
Although things may be different now, you will still see the same warm and familiar faces around the club who are excited to help your return to your healthy new routine. We can all do our part to help keep each other safe as we reopen our campus.
If you feel unwell or have any concerns about coming to the club, please stay home and stay safe. You'll notice face masks and gloves on our staff members. And in compliance with our state's current governance, we recommend that our members wear a face mask while you move throughout the facility.
Frequent cleaning of common surfaces will be done with an EPA-registered virus-killing disinfectant. Increased hand sanitizing stations and cleaning stations can be found throughout the club for sanitizing your hands and the equipment before and after every use.
Reservations are required for select amenities throughout the club to facilitate social distancing. Consistent with the Pennsylvania state government's phased approach, Oxford will gradually and safely reopen to our members, stronger than ever before.
While the club has been closed, we have taken this opportunity to make upgrades throughout the club safely and to keep our staff employed. These include renovations to the men's and women's locker rooms, outdoor tennis courts, indoor swimming pool, and new furnishing at our outdoor pool.
Lastly, we feel confident in our ability to serve our members in a safe and welcoming environment that will help continue to support your healthy lifestyle.